Hi, Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow-INDIA. Today we learn to how to uh, input the value of the logged in user of the instance as a caller value in the incident form. Okay. Right click on the column header, like in the column, go for configure dictionary, and in that configure dictionary on the dictionary entry form, we have something called default value section, and just click on this use dynamic default checkbox, and in the dynamic default value click on this reference icon and then select me as a option, and then update this dictionary entry called caller. Then automatically we get the value of the current logged in user in the caller field in the incident form. Okay, you can see, like, if you click on this profile icon, we have something called this name as a current logged in user, and we have the same caller name as a current logged in user. We'll check for other records also. Go to the filter navigator, type incident, and click on create new to create a new record. And you can see for every record it is showing the same caller name as we set as default value as a current logged in user. Okay, understood? Thanks for having your time. Jai Hind.